Tuesday morning, later than the last Tuesday morning. It's, well, the sun's up now and I've gotten some sleep in a shower. If you look at me like, Greg, it's like December and you're wearing your Under Armour stuff, your workout clothes, it's because I live in Southern California and we have these things in the area I'm living in called Santa Ana winds, where the hot wind gets blown down to the ocean instead of the ocean air going back inland. The inland air blows out to the ocean. So it's hot and it's compressed, and it is summertime outside my house right now. 3 o'clock in the morning, you could hear things being picked up and thrown against the house. Quite fascinating to live in a region where the wind blows the wrong way and it's hot during Christmas time. But this is Southern California. It's a crazy place. Anyway, things are looking good. The bot is really doing well. Today I'm going to be doing some fun stuff. I'm going to integrate PayPal. I'm integrating the PayPal subscription model. That way, when people buy their licenses online or they subscribe online, I'm going to hopefully use the PayPal API to keep me out of the loop. That way I don't have to manually do any aspect of issuing the license or hire someone to issue the licenses and manage them. So things are looking good. I spent some time looking at that. They've come a long way since the last time I used PayPal, which is good because you expect they should, right? You would hope that everyone would improve over time. So anyway, computer. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I've got a lot of the carts done. I know some guys are hopefully going after some drops. I'm going to offer this product right now for a little while in a monthly subscription model. Let's see how that goes. If it works out well, then that's the way we'll stay. If it doesn't work out well, then we'll move to another model. But right now, I think I'm going to try a monthly subscription model. For those of you who bought full licenses, don't worry. I'm still honoring those full licenses, and you'll still have a great deal from it. From those who haven't bought full licenses but want to try it month by month for a while, let's look at this monthly subscription model. Anyway, if it works out, then it's a win-win for everyone. And if it doesn't, then I'll just go back to a single lump sum upfront purchase and deal with that. Anyway, like I said, still Tuesday, right? Interesting time, Southern California. If it isn't crazy, it's not Southern California. Hopefully I get out of the house a little while and get some exercise in too. Anyway, you have a good day. I'm really enjoying this project. I'm really enjoying this now product. It's sort of moved from a project to a product, and I'm really enjoying the whole process. So anyway, subscribe to my channel. The Twitter account, the Discord account, hey, my YouTube account. I hope to be talking more with the people who've had success, maybe get some videos with them talking about it. If you need help with the product after you've got a license key, you can jump in the Discord group. There's a couple of guys who will be happy to, just thrilled to answer your questions. I'm sure of it. Anyway, take care. Talk to you later. Till this afternoon or this evening. I'm out. You be good. Have fun. Bye-bye.